Hello children, in this video we are going to see plane angle and solid angle. First one, plane angle. It is the angle between the insertion of two straight lines or insertion of two planes. அதாவது ரெண்டு straight lines அல்லது ரெண்டு planes insert ஆகும்போது உருவாகிற angle தான் plane angle. Plane is a flat surface with no thickness. Example, paper. The SI unit of plane angle is radian and it's denoted as rad. What is radian? The radian is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. And 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. Next is solid angle. It is the angle formed by 3 or more planes inserting at a common point. அதாவது 3 அல்லது அதற்கு மேற்பட்ட planes insert ஆகும்போது உருவாகிற angle தான் solid angle. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. அதாவது ஒரு கோனோட vertex or sharp edge create பண்ற angle நம்ம solid angle னு சொல்லலாம். The SI unit of solid angle is radian and is denoted as SR. What is radian? Radian is the solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. Difference between plane angle and solid angle. Angle between the insertion of two lines or planes are called plane angles. It is two-dimensional. Its unit is radian. Now let us see solid angle. Angle between the insertion of 3 or more planes at a common point. It is three-dimensional. Its unit is radian. Let's see clocks. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. So, many clocks were used from the ancient time. Scientists modified the clock's mechanism to obtain accuracy. The clocks are classified into two types based on display. First one, analog clock. Second one, digital clock. Let's see analog clocks. It looks like a classic clock. It has 3 hands to show the time. They are horse hand, minutes hand, seconds hand. Horse hand. It is short and thick. It shows hour. Minutes hand. It is long and thin. It shows minute. Seconds hand. It is long and very thin. It shows second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotations in 1 hour. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electronically. The picture given in your right side represents analog clock. Let's see digital clocks. A digital clock displays the time directly. It shows the time in numerals or other symbols. It may have a 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks.